What's up, guys? Eric and Jeremy here today, and we're going to talk about how we came up with this logo design. See, our coaching philosophy in order to get results is to operate under the 6 pillars of life, which are mind, body, family, finance, society, and faith in the middle. And that's how we came up with this. But dive in.
So we gave the designer a tough task of, our differentiation from every other gym and so on is results. Focused, right, and transformations, and the fact that we as coaches are going to help pull you through. So the 6 pillars, the joy, the coaching, the mind, body, soul, and he just hit it out of the park with our logo.
Hit it out of the park. So we got the smiley face.
The barbell is a smiley face. The plates are the 6
pillars.
The top 3 lines again.
Mind, body, and soul.
Mind, body, soul, and again, zero doubt is the fact that working with us and doing the 6 pillars and doing the mind, body, soul, you'll have zero doubts.
Zero doubt
in life, and that's what's important. Going from many doubts to zero doubts, and so again, wishing everyone good health and happy to help. Peace.